did just wake, as you can see by my brows. Oh God, I'm out. But good morning. We're going for a walk, so you guys will see this again very soon. What? What? Say good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, Tammy.
Marshall.
No, Marshall doesn't say it.
Marshall.
It's Tammy that says it. Marshall just says like, welcome back, MTM.
Big up MTM. No, what's that MTM?
With the key. You take it off.
Finally. Oh yeah. Yeah, I have mine ear in my ears.
So I might not be the thinking ears.
You won't be able to wash my face.
You'll be able to wash your face. You see how you saw it, right?
You say we can wash my face.
You're going to care?
In case you're going. Look at the views, guys, people. No, guys. Look at this sky. Look on the cloud, I'm not sure what it is. It looks raining. I even keep me those clouds.
Can I go down there?
Everywhere. Yeah, I don't really tell you. Just step there, so from yesterday, I tell you. See, step there like this, and some of this, and I go through the bush, see me. But that means it's nice for your view, for your picture, for you. And you get the whole of the ocean view background. Plus, you have dung and stuff, you have nice part there, you come. This is the step we go that way. The next step.
Okay, guys, come and look at me.
Yeah, look, man.
Okay, so I never got to give you guys a tour of like down here. Yeah?
You did.
So, no, it was never.
We never ever do. I true, we never video camera, we just come and go to the beach.
So.
But a big door, jeez.
I guess this would be like a little like
bar.
Bar spot for I guess.
See how the counter there.
And so we have a little nice little area where you can
get a little.
cold stove.
You see it there?
Yeah, I have an hammock.
I lied, this nobody had last time, hammock.
Wow, look at that. Hi Dad. Fun fact, I used to have a hammock growing up. My dad built one for me.
Alright, spoily. Spoiled brats.
But I never really used it because it was under a tree where Beer Lizard did it. So, yeah.
Look how the pool look clean, it look totally different.
And then you guys.
And the last time.
Can I talk and you not
I know the vlog me talk.
Yeah, but yeah, cut me off.
Alright, all that. All the mic.
Stop, give me a mic.
You
and
know,
the
singer.
pool, you guys, it's working this time.
Look totally different and clean. Last time look all green, I'm all painted.
Amazing. I didn't even come over here though.
Cause the whole of this one. When you touch water for you come, put at least a foot in there. Pool active, huh?
That's exciting.
Okay, come here later in the evening. We're going to do a water adventure today, so.
Let's see.
Alright, let's see.
Cool. Yo, you guys, I don't know what it is about the placement of this place, but like the views over here are just
be an ocean, yes.
amazing. Like the views, the sound, like it literally is a gem. Like it's a gem. You would never know like this, like passing it on the road, you would never know that this is all behind it.
Like, come to think of it, you know, it is a hidden gem.
You just see your road, you know, see what lies behind. So
this is what lies behind.
This is amazing.
I'll go out there, see you next step. If you like that. Wow, see you shot that. What a view, guys, people. Yeah, at the bottom, baby, it never had the color they want to come first. It was green, and it was a dull green, like it never paint. It look like yes, so. You work on it, my life. You have to push the door there. You I'm come down here already. I don't want to show me. Sorry, take your time.
People gonna know when Joel carry going now.
I the man did show me the last time. See man.
This looks like we're going in a scary movie.
Yeah.
Are you crazy? The uppy don't like nice and rude people. Don't do that. Come on.
Oh, kill up. I don't can't see them there.
Truth or dare?
Either is.
Truth or
I don't think I push it. Let's push it for
Truth or dare?
one and leave our after again.
Them don't like me. Let me people. This bro. That's what them chop up people and I down here already.
Yeah, somebody
You
come.
know, I always want me to do the most in the morning when I just sleep. I don't have no energy in my body, you know. People try to come carry me now.
Rain a fall, so tell us rain a fall. You feel it already? The woman say me next door my neighbor. Say me have the sky reader. She won't go wash and me tell her. Give me a work at Jamaica meteorological research. Fuck them for them, I'm a scientist. Can I go down, straight down and I
Babe, me no.
Oh, guess where I reach my babe?
What?
Baby again. I say I never done my more up and done my shit for you.
I don't know what did you have?
A smoke house, man. I need to come sunny side.
So come on. So you're gonna shit down here?
Yeah.
No, come on.
I can't make it to the bathroom.
Let's go. There's a crab?
Mm-hmm.
Joel, that's so nasty.
If my belly feel away, I'm through.
Oh my god,
Hold it.
I feel away.
Well, it's not babe fast.
Come on, let's go. You wanna know what camera I have to do with belly?
Impossible.
You might as well take the two of them. Anyways, y'all, that was short-lived. Y'all. No, sir. I'm not go back down there. I'm not go back down there. You got something like that. No, sir. Jesus. You lock at the door? Jesus, you ready, man? Oh my God. Wow. Oh my. Wow. Watch, shitty body. Watch shitty. Alright, shitty. Alright, shit house. Let me catch them. Let me catch you taking a shit. Yeah, I'm not lie. That there a while ago? Jesus. Okay. So. And luckily, our room is literally on the first floor. Right at the front. Oh, the key now, come on. If extra was a person. Whew. Home sweet home, guys. Alright. Me I go take in the local sun. I mean the sunrise, but you know? Yeah, it's starting to rain for truth. Can smell the salt. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, people. We'll be asleep, so you know, I'm just decide say, yo, I'm gonna go with vlog, you know. Yeah, like the whole view, you know. Yeah, so like, the sun, oh, I actually want to go in a sun view still, but in a rain and stop and then the sun. Really hot. Blessings always, you know, big up on yourself to the vloggers them, subscribers them. Yeah man, so out here, you know. I'm saying that like go we shall sleep and stuff. Yeah. The wind kinda nice, the wind is nice and what's it now? Rain parish. God there. What's them God there? Flower basket and something. So, this is it. I don't know. You can't see nothing, I don't know if you can see. You have the pool up there. You know? Up beside don't forget to like, share. Oh people, so I want to go into the view here to look at the view, the pool and everything. Water. Last time we came here, like the pool wasn't functional. It was here, but it wasn't functional. It wasn't clean. You know, them never deal it the right way, and then it did in a green actually. I think that blue here look better. The blue bring it off on the water and the bottom it does have a buzz now. I don't think it was actually green. It's supposed to be seat already. So. Someone will come and know it to us. So. Big up and love always again, you know? Yeah. People man cam this, yeah, now. Well, people, husband themselves get upgraded. See that coconut tree, so you know, say if you don't want jelly and rain, yeah? Almond tree, but almond seeds are out. This is actually a big almond tree, yo. So next to come on the almond again. Almond as them call it. We grow and call it almond. But when we grow get realized it's actually almond. And it have the best nut, the realest nut. Every other nut fake. Yeah, when I used to usually make them dry and you know, after them drop off of the tree, because when it's fresh, you don't get the nut. So good like, you know. When it's dry and we usually take up a whole heap of dry almond and I must say that's how we say healthy and strong. Yeah, cause we usually crack them. Let me tell you about them, you know, and a little bit of almond, you know. I have 3-4 bags full, you know. I will just go beat out them and just eat the nut them out of them, you know, consume the nut why. Yeah, so yeah, people kind of want to really reason about, you know. Yeah, look reasoning good, you know. Yeah, than quarrel. So yeah, now watch the view, man.
And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know if this is going to be a continuation from yesterday. If not, it's a brand new, well, I was already on here earlier today, right? Yeah, okay, just forget that. Heading out to go get food. You guys, last trip was all about up and down. Like, this Airbnb, this hotel, this Airbnb, all of them sitting there. This trip, we are bringing you food. Wait. Go on. This trip, we are bringing you guys food, okay? So...
Beer food. We love food at the moment.
Yeah, period. Period, Pooh. So, husband is taking us out today. We're gonna go get some jerk. You know, he was just like, maybe I'll cook. And I'm just like, we're on vacation. Like, no, we're not cooking. We're not going around the hot stove right now. No hot stove. Oh, well. We're not going around the hot stove. Yeah? So, we're going to the Ultimate Jerk Center. Jesus. I know I vlogged it. I can't remember if I really vlogged it because it was dark. But we went there after we went to Puerto Rico. If you guys never watched that vlog, you guys need to go and check out the Puerto Rico vlog where Babe did the water Olympics, something. That was hilarious. That is literally, I wanted to. Yes, I told you that too, and you're like, oh no. Puerto Rico would have been such a nice vibe. Anyways, and you guys, I have not gone in water since we're coming on. So yeah, that's where we're going right now. We have a lot that's faster. So yeah, when we get there, I will come back. Oh, what was I saying? Yeah, it was dark when we were coming from Puerto Rico, so I don't think I got to like really catch anything. So it's a little bit brighter out right now. It's a little bit after 5:30. So we have like maybe like a good hour before night really falls. Excuse me. So that's where we're headed to right now. So journey with us to go get some food. We're gonna go get some good jerk. Yeah. They have rabbits. I think it's rabbits, and I think they have our next animal, but I don't remember which one it is. So I was like, hey, maybe me try rabbits. You know, if the price is right. Yeah, and it's jerk. Like, how bad could that be? When we have our little like food festivals in Toronto, they had at one jerk fest they had jerk kangaroo.
Was a kangaroo tail eat like oxtail? I don't like it.
Ooh. Yeah. No, was it kangaroo tail?
Looks same like oxtail.
Yeah, but it see it. Yeah, but it see one time. It's just probably tougher.
Yeah, take long to cook always.
But then again, what I think say, babe. Then again, what I think say, which part oxtail come from? It's not an ox. It's not an ox. When you look at it, exactly. So what's an ox? But isn't there an ox? Isn't there an animal called an ox? Yeah, but it's not from an oxtail. It's not from an ox. It's not an ox. I looked it up. It's not from an ox. I can't remember right now off the top of my head, but it's not an ox. Anyways, if you know which animal oxtail come from, comment it down below. And as I said, journey with me as we go to get some jerk from the Ultimate Jerk Center. I don't know, but it's not. That's what I looked at. I looked it up and it's not. It really and truly is not from an oxtail. Like, it's not an ox's tail. Oh God.
Clean skin with a pretty little face. Despite of that, we should have tell the girl a feel. Can't do what was a real. Tell me friend me have to find a share still. Him say your mother would have really come up here. They take number with the little that keep her phone up.
Nutsy. So guys, we have reached our destination. We are at the Ultimate Jerk Center. Max. No, I left mine in here. This is mine, because mine have lipstick. Whatcha? Everywhere you go, you have to carry a little leaking penis. Oh yeah. Why is this not focused? Yeah, I know.
Welcome. Welcome, you know? I say it again, I want to say it like you.
Oh. Welcome what?
Welcome guys.
Hey guys, welcome. It's your favorite girl, Zoisha.
Hey guys, welcome.
You're so extra.
I reckon that, guys.
Anyways, yeah, I think that's gonna be our name, our family name. People Dem. It has to be like the People Dem. Okay, you are the People Dem. Me are the People Dem wife. You are the People Dem man.
People Dem TV.
And you are the People Dem. You are our People Dem. Yeah. I'm gonna put that on a shirt. Y'all gonna buy it? Comment down below. Anyways, we're reached. Hold on now. I am. See right this one at the bottom.
No,
Rabbits. So they got the rabbit, guys. Okay, I know for sure I'm gonna get the pork. See there.
Eat fish. No, I eat no fish now. They straighten on my back for later than
Babe.
Leave. Trim of our balls. See it there? Balls. Easy. Sting it. Ring it. Shine. Ring it.
Afternoon. Can I get a hold on. Can I get a quarter pound of the jerk pork, please? And for the sides, can I get festival? For the festival, the $80, that's for one? Alright, let me get 2 and an order of fries. Hold on. Come on.
Quarter pork and 2 festival.
You not get the fries?
And a fries, no.
Which one's plugged in there, is it? ZX1 or ZX2?
The camera?
Yeah.
What is it? I don't even know.
Looks like we have a Sony.
It's a DX30 or HX30.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Usually I'm plugging my M50
Mm.
Sony 6400.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What do you?
No, I haven't used it much since my mom got it for me.
Oh, okay.
She got it for me as a gift, and I was like, Mom, already.
Okay. What's your channel about?
Well, to be honest, it's actually father and daughter's travels.
Oh, that's nice. In Jamaica or overseas? Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, but she's at home, so.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Well, you guys, I just met someone who has a YouTube channel. Do you want to shout out your channel? Come on, shout it out. It's a father and daughter channel. I'm close with my dad, so
Hey guys.
yeah. Oh wait, which number are we there? Oh, 40.
Where the number's located?
Huh? At the bottom.
36?
You still didn't shout it out.
Oh, shout out to Father and Daughter's YouTube channel, of course. I mean, don't worry. Check us out, guys.
It's father and daughter?
Father and Daughter.
Okay. So father and daughter on YouTube, guys. Check them out. 40.
Yeah,
36.
That should be interesting. Me and,
Ketchup and pepper.
yeah. Me and daddy should do a YouTube channel. Father and daughter. We get through fast today, though. Last time, you guys, it was hella busy.
Okay, you take care, though.
All right, you have a good one. Hey, huh? No, listen. He's so not fault me being man.
Go on, yeah.
Listen, when he came up to me, no, when he was asking me about a camera, he was asking me about a camera, right? And I first didn't hear because I never ear good, like, I couldn't really hear good because he was like kind of like talking really low. But then when we realized the camera ended up, but I was like, oh, okay, because I thought he was like kind of, you know, that's why I didn't come up. Like he was up here, but I didn't come up. I was down for a little bit. But then when I started talking about the camera, I was like, okay, all right, cool. And he was like, he has a YouTube. I'm like, all right, cool, like, you know. And then I seen Babe on the peripheral of my eyes, and I was like, yes, come rescue.
SK, I refret this not fresh.
Yeah, idiot. I think you can't beat me. I'm a father.
Nah, beat it.
Yeah, I'm a father.
Left.
I'm a father. Left go away.
No time to beat.
Left go away.
Where are beat going?
Left go away.
Leave them.
Left go away. You can't leave. You cannot leave this. Yeah, idiot.
You know it's me?
You cannot leave this, Joel.
You know it's me?
Alright, so let's go. No, let's go.
Can't leave you alone.
That's what I thought. Thank you.
Right, that's
Oh, we get salt in a cup and everything. I feel fancy.
We want enough salt and
I feel fancy. I said I feel fancy. Huh? Or should we just go on my whole vibes?
Yeah, go on my whole vibes. So I just buy cheese, I buy a 2-liter thing, a Pepsi.
Okay, I need my pictures though. Be right back. Whoa, that happened very, very fast. Anyways, y'all, we are home. Yeah, you put 1 socks in or something? Got only 1 socks in the sea.
God no. I told mama 2 socks, I'm gonna need them.
We'll check the drag. I mean the washer. Ow. Oh, my finger. Anyways, you guys, as I said, we are home. I just warm up my food for consume. We are going Walla Vibes tonight. See? What's that?
I see it still. I need milk or socks.
I'll take it in the morning. So guys, see the food here? I'm about to dash my pepper on it. See my pepper here. I'm about to pesh my pepper. Dash my pepper on this and consume this on here. Go to the poolside and want to look up signs. I'm excited.
Where's the side?
Yeah, my earrings. Poppin'. The missing pieces. Holla at your girl, okay? Yeah, let me help you find your missing piece because baby girl, let me tell y'all about my catalog. Let me tell y'all. I not really come out and show out, you know, but when I show out, I show out, okay? I'm no Barbie doll, I don't have time to get up and dress up every day. But when I do, oh, y'all let my husband tell me, say, wife life fit me. I'm telling you, some marriage life fit me, but I aim it fit, man. I aim it fit. I aim it fit. Nah, I'm sorry. You agree with me as you can see me get more miserable. What do you guys like better? Pork or chicken? Comment down below, let me know. Well, I mean for the ones who eat both pork and chicken. If you go and get jerk, or if you have the option, what do you guys normally pick? I feel like for me, when it comes on to jerk, the only way I get chicken is if there's no pork. Yeah, as I was saying, what y'all choose? I'm gonna say, the only reason I would choose chicken is if there's no pork. That's the only way I choose chicken. Pork? Why? No, people just get up and say
chicken.
no, them not like something put it back in the freezer. Them not eat something we they never tried before. I get the people who do it for religious purposes or whatever, but like other people that just get up and say, them now name this. All two. You never eat it before, so you just say you don't like it. Or you can't not like something you never tried before. Joel, don't use it.
Don't use some iron.
So why when I asked for it, you couldn't give it to me?
I mean, prefer that I make you live.
If you never tried pork before, and it's not for a religious purpose, try it, okay? I promise you, you'll never deny it ever again. Portness, bad. Bad. Especially jerk pork.
And pepper sauce look weak, too.
It's weak.
But you hear me and say I'm afraid of it.
I'm going to the pool, y'all. See my baby?
Brown beer.
Oh god, so yeah. I went to the pool. I don't mind my belly, here I go down. Pick up the what? The key, you have it. So you're responsible. I think I can carry everything. Jesus Christ. I not even know when I forgot. I don't remember. Oh, I'm spilling. You what? So go for it. I'm right here. Go and face something, man. What's the point of walking all the way over there to walk back all the way? You're right here, so right now. So. Yeah. Yeah. I got my husband and my shots and say I'm like me and them something here, so I'm buy it to see me in it, you see me? Get you a man. I mean, just get you a man, period, yo. When I say 2020 nearly take it all away, we don't want to go away by ourselves. We need somebody to go away with. Y'all, there's light over here, but I don't think there's gonna be light.
No, let's try it.
By the pool. You know how that go? No. I'm just spilling. Woo! And then God said, let there be light. And then God said, let there be light. Wow. Wow. Alright, anyways, I just want to sit down on the hedge. Hold on. Oh. Jesus. People, water cold. Cold. No cold bad like that, but it cold. Y'all ain't gonna see nothing. This don't even make sense. Wow, it's a good thing when I not see nothing because my belly don't look great. We out here without fear. Gang, gang. Gang, 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 gang. Anyways, guys, gonna hold a vibe, so toodaloo, y'all can't see. And I ain't finna do this all night long, okay? All night long. All night. I knew I should have brought my ring light, but so I go. Oh, I mean. No, babe, I didn't bring my ring light. No, you can use mine. I'm not gonna use. This is perfect. Hey, I look cute. I'll move on the back clicker. My battery I got dead though.
Whoa.
It's not that bad. Cool. You'll get used to it.
Yeah, we're waiting, man. Going to that pool,